Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer TRX from Bitmart to XMO in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch exchanges or manage your crypto portfolio better, this step-by-step process will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need active accounts on both Bitmart and XMO, some TRX in your Bitmart wallet, and a good understanding of crypto basics to avoid any mishaps. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so double-check every detail. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and select TRX from your list of holdings. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw option for TRX. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Before that, hop over to XMO. Step 3. Log into your XMO account and go to the Deposit or Wallets section. Find your TRX wallet address, make sure it's for the Tron network, and copy it carefully. Step 4. Back on Bitmart, paste the XMO TRX address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation page. Double-check the address, amount, and network. It should be Tron. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step. Step 6. Hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the TRX to appear in your XMO wallet. Once the transfer is complete, log back into XMO and verify that your TRX has arrived. If it doesn't show up, wait a bit longer or check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network to prevent lost funds, and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.